The UN Children's Fund, UNICEF, today warned that children continue to be killed, injured, and displaced, and put at increasing risk of disease as the conflict continues in Yemen. According to the agency, the conflict is exacerbating an already precarious situation for children in a country prone to food insecurity. Of the 560 people who have been killed since the start of the fighting, an estimated 74 of them are children. Another 44 children have been maimed. However, wherever security conditions permit, UNICEF is working with its partners to provide affected families with drinking water and health services. It is also providing fuel for water pumps in 3 cities in the south, including Aden, where water systems have been repeatedly damaged in the fighting. UNICEF is concerned about that the breakdown in water supply and sewage overflow could lead to increased risk of diseases and outbreak. The Office for the Coordination of Humanitarian Affairs says that a plane carrying humanitarian staff landed in Sana'a yesterday, and 2 more planes carrying supplies are expected later this week. Plans are also underway for surgical teams to sail from Djibouti to Aden as soon as possible. In the last 24 hours, about 12 metric tons of medical supplies have arrived in Aden from Al Hudaydah and distributed to health centers and hospitals. Medical assistance has also been delivered in Sada. Monthly food supplies have been distributed to more than 300 displaced families in Haja. OCHA reports that some 159 stranded Ethiopian migrants have returned home from Djibouti, including 131 who have been stranded en route to Yemen and 28 who were evacuated from Yemen by sea.
These bombardments on Yemen are killing whole families, as we said yesterday. There was a 9-member family killed. Also, they are targeting convoys of trucks carrying flour to bakeries. In many incidents, whole trucks were destroyed where they were taking flour for the bakeries. Isn't not high time for calling for a ceasefire in Yemen?
I think the Secretary General, through his special advisor, has been working on trying to get all the players around a table to reach a political agreement so that the fighting can stop. It is obviously, I don't have the details of all the cases you mentioned, but it's obviously incumbent on those conducting military operations. They do their utmost to protect civilians and protect civilian infrastructure.